Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. This is a warning for all Bitcoin holders. We're going to be talking about the price prediction today for Bitcoin, as well as some Bitcoin news, and last but not least, some technical analysis on Bitcoin. This is a very important video in regards to Bitcoin, so make sure to watch the whole video and pay attention. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to leave a like. And yeah, guys, with that said, let's get right into this. Okay, guys, as you guys know, the current price of Bitcoin is at $20,074. This is right at the key support, a key support of Bitcoin. Earlier today, we did break below the 20,000. We went as low as $19,844. There are many reasons for this, but guys, we're looking at the 45-minute time frame right now for Bitcoin. We had so many red flags for Bitcoin earlier. As I said, guys, I'm going to name them out. First off, we did have this first key resistance, which, guys, we could not break through. Every time we touched it and we went above it for a little bit, we did get rejected. As you guys can see, we got rejected here and here and here as well. That's one red flag. The second red flag is we did create a descending scallop. Guys, if you guys can see, I'm going to draw it right now. A descending scallop, that's a sign of a bearish pattern. As you guys can see right there, I drew that. If you scope out, you can see it's a descending scallop. As you guys can see, I'm going to draw it out again. Look at it. Clear as day, guys. Second, that's the second thing that was a red flag for Bitcoin. As well as we did create a descending channel. As you guys can see, this two white lines that I drew right here. And if you look, we did create lower highs, 1, 2, 3. And when we broke down here, we could not go back up, because a lot of Bitcoin holders and traders decided to sell their positions or sell their investment in Bitcoin. As you guys can see, especially right here, the volume of Bitcoin was very high. A lot of people sold because they got rejected here and they gave up on Bitcoin. But guys, there is more to this, because yesterday I did make a video saying that we could see an upside because of this key support of 20,000, but I was wrong, only because there was some major news in regards to Bitcoin. As you guys can see, there was many factors, including a bunch of companies coming out with all these allegations, and as well as Powell speaking, which is the Fed chairman, basically saying that they're fighting inflation right now because it is rising, and in July also that he's gonna raise interest as well. So this is not good for Bitcoin holders, crypto holders, and investors in general, because this is what happens. I will explain why it's really bad. But he also talked about a high chance of a recession, because the only way to fight inflation is to raise interest. And yeah, guys, we're stuck in a hole. On top of that, guys, California did agree to come out with another stimulus checks, which means they're printing more money so people can spend in the economy. But guys, the thing is, people are not going to be spending that money. They're going to be saving it, waiting for another recession so they can buy lower. So we're just creating more problems after more problems. When the recession officially happens and they announce it, it's going to be bad for Bitcoin. And it's very highly likely we're going to see Bitcoin 7,000 to 11,000. Because if you do 90% of $69,000, which is the previous high, that is around $7,000, guys. So the price target, if it goes down to 90% from the all-time high, is 90,000 or 7,000, guys. Very bad. And we can see right here, guys, because the whole thing with the Fed news, Mike Powell saying this stuff about interest rates, inflation, and the recession. As a result, people started selling their Bitcoins. As you guys can see, this high volume right here, a lot of volume going on right here, selling their Bitcoin for cash because people are expecting a recession. And if you didn't know, guys, in a recession, the best thing to do is to have cash on hand, so then you can buy things at a lower price than it is right now. I'm telling you, Bitcoin has a great chance of going to $7,000 to $11,000, guys. This is very dangerous, but it's good for us, because it gives us a chance to get in on Bitcoin at a discount, guys. 90% discount. That's crazy. And we can see it right here, guys. Earlier today, we were around here stuck. It looked like it was going to reverse, go back up here and test it out to see a reversal, breakthrough and make a reversal. But with the Fed and Mike Powell announcing this stuff, people started selling their stuff right here, as you guys can see. And now we're just stuck around the 20,000. And if you look right here on the stochastic RSI, we are in the overbought right now still, which is very interesting, guys. So we might see more downfall below $20,000 today. Very dangerous, guys. You guys got to pay attention right now to the price of Bitcoin, because a lot of stuff can happen. We had so much red flags, guys, so much. As I said, we had a descending scallop. We also had a descending channel. We had lower highs. Already many bad signs. And if you look at the volume, people are selling. They're selling more than buying. Because if you look right here, people are not buying compared to here, guys. People are at least buying stuff here compared to this. Now it's just like people are giving up on Bitcoin right now. A lot of investors and Bitcoin holders are selling off their Bitcoin for cash because they are expecting a recession, which is highly likely, because Mike Powell just came out and said there's a great chance that there might be a recession because they're trying to fight off inflation. A lot of stuff is going on, guys. You got to pay attention. If you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. Last but not least, smash the like button. With that said, make sure to follow me on all social medias, especially my TikTok, DC_flight421 or DC Trading. Look me up on there on Instagram and TikTok, as well as my other Instagram, which is NFT hidden_NFTs. With that said, this is DC Trading. I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.